Hi, I'm Drew Finn. I'm here for ExpertVillage.com. I'm a professional home inspector and I'm going to show you how to install a ceiling fan today. Now we're going to pre-assemble the blades to the blade holders. We've decided this installation that we want this facing up so we won't see it. We're just going to have the plain wood facing down the style this house is. So these are the blade holders and we're going to assemble them like this so when they're mounted you won't see it. Now I like putting the 3 screws in, then aligning the base so the screws line up with the holes, and we just screw them in snugly but not too tight. So we want to make sure each of them are firm. I'm doing all one mechanical tightening each time. So now it's all assembled, nice and firm. Now if we were going to have to adjust the height of the blade and the balancing later, what we do is we loosen the 3 screws, we take this screw out, we put a washer underneath and we reattach it. That will change the height of the blade slightly. And we might have to do this in the balancing if the fan does wobble after assembly. So what we'll do is go ahead and assemble the rest of these blades. Now we have all 5 blades assembled to the mounting bracket at the base, and we can go on to the next step of the assembly of your ceiling fan.